The Thunderobot Beigou Civi smart projector, currently available for pre-orders on JD.com in China, offers an array of features that make it a versatile and high-quality option for various applications. The projector boasts a powerful LED lamp that provides a bright 600 ANSI lumens output. This makes it suitable for use in different lighting conditions, including both daytime and nighttime viewing. The high-precision laser time-of-flight TOF module and intelligent recognition algorithm enable rapid automatic focus adjustment and accurate keystone correction, ensuring consistently clear images. The third-generation enclosed optical engine increases brightness by 35% and prolongs the projector's lifespan, contributing to long-lasting image quality. The Beigou Civi is equipped with professional-grade linear stereo speakers that deliver balanced, detailed, and transparent sound quality, making it suitable for gaming and home cinema setups. It features HDMI and USB ports for easy connectivity with computers, gaming consoles, and other devices. Wi-Fi 6 support provides faster and more reliable wireless connections, and the projector is compatible with various operating systems for screencasting. With a smooth rounded appearance and diagonal grid patterns, the Beigou Civi is developed to fit seamlessly into any interior decor. Its compact dimensions and weight of 1.5 kilograms make it relatively portable. The projector runs on Android 9.0 and is powered by a HiSilicon Hi3751 352 processor, 1GB DDR3 RAM, and 8GB eMMC storage. It includes features such as digital zoom, a short throw ratio, and the ability to project images up to 100 inches in dimension. The projector boasts a light source with over 20,000 hours of lifespan, ensuring durability and longevity. The self-developed frost cooling system ensures efficient cooling and quiet operation, generating less than 28 decibels of noise. It comes with the ThunderOS system, which aggregates streaming content from various platforms to enhance the viewing experience. Thunderobot has recently unveiled the Beigou Civi smart projector in China, and it is now open for pre-orders on JD.com at an enticing price of 799 yuan or $112. This cutting-edge smart projector offers a range of features that cater to various entertainment needs, making it an appealing choice for consumers. One of the distinctive aspects of the Beigou Civi smart projector is its availability in three eye-catching colors: milky white, peach pink, and mint green. This not only adds a touch of personalization to the device, but also allows users to choose a color that complements their style and blends seamlessly with their home decor. In addition to the projector, Thunderobot also launched a limited edition ML903 Year of the Dragon gaming mouse to celebrate the Chinese New Year. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.